Ever wondered how a drone can change the face of modern warfare? Well, let's take a quick trip back in time. The dawn of the drone era didn't happen overnight. It was a gradual evolution, starting with the use of unmanned aerial vehicles for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. These eyes in the sky were the pioneers, providing crucial information without risking human lives. But as technology advanced, so did the potential of these drones. Imagine a world where these flying spies could do more than just watch. What if they could take action? That's where the MQ-9 Reaper drone comes into the picture. This drone isn't just a mere observer, it's a game changer. With its advanced firepower and precision, it's like a hawk soaring in the sky, watching, waiting, and when the time is right, striking with deadly accuracy. This brings us to the introduction of the MQ-9 Reaper drone, a machine that revolutionized military strategy. The rise of the Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper drone, a name synonymous with precision and power. Let's take a journey back to the early 2000s, a period of rapid technological innovation. The military world was on the cusp of a revolution, and at the heart of it all was the MQ-9 Reaper drone. Developed by General Atomics, the Reaper was a step up from its predecessor, the Predator. This drone was designed to be a hunter-killer from its inception, with an emphasis on long endurance, high operational ceiling, and the ability to carry a significant payload. One of the standout features of the Reaper is its endurance. This bird can stay in the air for an impressive 24 hours. That's a full day of uninterrupted surveillance or strike capabilities. This endurance feature is a key advantage in the field of operations, allowing for sustained intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Speaking of height, the Reaper sets the bar high, quite literally. With a service ceiling of over 50,000 feet, the MQ-9 can operate at altitudes that keep it safe from most ground-based defenses. This high operational ceiling gives it an edge in covered operations, allowing it to spy on enemy territories without detection. But what makes the Reaper a true force to reckon with is its ability to carry a significant payload. It can hold up to 3,750 pounds of laser-guided bombs and Hellfire missiles. This capability transforms it from a mere spy in the sky to a lethal weapon capable of conducting precise strikes. The Reaper's unique blend of features has made it an invaluable asset in military operations. It's not just a drone. It's a multi-role aircraft that can gather intelligence, conduct surveillance, perform reconnaissance, and even carry out lethal strikes across the globe. It's the epitome of a force multiplier, enhancing the capabilities of the military and providing a significant strategic advantage. The MQ-9 Reaper drone thus emerged as a significant force multiplier in the military arsenal. The impact of the Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper drone didn't just change warfare, it redefined it. The Reaper, with its advanced technology and capabilities, has significantly altered the face of modern warfare. It's given military forces the ability to execute operations from a safe distance, significantly reducing the risk to human life. It's like playing a video game, with one major difference: the stakes are real. The Reaper has also brought forth a new era of precision. Its high-definition cameras and sensors can detect even the smallest of targets, reducing collateral damage. But with such power comes great responsibility. While the Reaper's efficiency is undeniable, it has sparked a fierce debate about the ethics of warfare. Are we becoming too detached from the realities of war? Are we making it too easy to pull the trigger? These are important questions that we must grapple with as we continue to embrace this technology. The Reaper has clearly set a new standard in the battlefield, but it also raises questions about the ethics of warfare. Summarizing the Reaper's reign, the MQ-9 Reaper drone, a symbol of technological advancement and a subject of ethical debate. Its journey from blueprint to battlefield has been nothing short of remarkable. It's been a game changer in the world of warfare, bringing unprecedented precision and efficiency to military operations. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and lethal payloads, the Reaper is a formidable force, a silent sentinel in the sky. But the Reaper's reign is not without controversy. It's a tool of war that operates at the intersection of technology and ethics. It raises questions about the nature of warfare, about the value of human life, and the cost of convenience. It challenges us to consider what we lose when would we remove the human element from the equation of conflict. In the end, the MQ-9 Reaper drone represents both the incredible progress of technology and the complex challenges that come with it. It's a testament to our capacity for innovation and a reminder of the responsibility that comes with it.